Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, ke kwabheda kanjalo kumahlelo angayithola ibail, you know this story angithi all the time ukuthi uyi-flight risk, unama idea u2, unemali eMauritius uzobaleka nge-aeroplane yakhe, nge-jet, whatever it is, le aclaim ukuthi uyayi-own. He has money in Mauritius. Also buying guys, it's a lot. So there was no way he was gonna get bail. I mean, we all knew, but we basically just like, but you know, he's not gonna give up. Mese hambi high court end up at Concord ke. Ngoba ngithi uqala magistrate ithi ngeke vele khona ukuthi Alexander like you saw. And then we end up at high court manje ke usethi useyami. No, high court, I guess, but I'm sure we'll end up at court. But it's a waste of time because my thing was at the end of the day, uhleli no jail lapha kwakhe. Kwakhe khona ujail just as much as I said jail. Why angajela abantu ukuthi ujail uphi? I'm release umntana bani ngoba lo 25 million ofunayo from Jerry's family ngeke azayithola. Just as much as nayo lo Jerry bathi he wasn't a saint. So I want to will never know what's going on with these people. Baba amagenza nje nemkhulu ukuthi bonke labantu at the end of the day. And Jerry's mom did say, but you know what? He's the only accused who remains behind bars, but the other ones were released.